So Anthropic just released this new updated Claude Code app. So yeah, I'm gonna check this out today. Looks pretty cool. Looks similar to CMOX at the moment actually. So yeah, it looks the same as any normal IDE, but you've got these things over here which you can like drag, and that's quite cool. You can also do like 4 in 1, so that's pretty cool as well. You've got accept edits, plan mode, transcript view, different like thinking, verbose, summary. You can add images. You can even just talk right in here and it just picks up your microphone and just types it for you out like this. I still like using my custom microphone's actually a lot better. See, look at that, so much faster. So you can start a new session here. You got routines, which just will do things like as a cron job. So I'm in plan mode, and I'm gonna ask what this project does. So it looks like, yeah, it starts a cloud container, clones the repo, and then starts Claude Code in there. And I believe this is running in that cloud container, so that's gonna save a bit of resources on your computer for some people. And yep, that is all correct. So I'm going to start doing some implementation here, just see how it is. So I've just done a prompt, so it's like normal. So I'm going to press 2, be in plan mode first and see what this is going to do. Use tool search, okay. Oh, and I'm on Opus 4.6 by default, not the 1 million context version. So we'll try that out. So it's running an agent. Okay, this is cool. I like how it's got these different views here. So this has been going on for like 7 minutes now, 8 minutes. It's taken forever. Just doing some check-ins. It's been 11 minutes, 30 seconds now, and it's still planning. And it's only done 96 lines in the plan. Okay, so now it said open plan. Okay. That button doesn't work. Okay, I'll just click into it manually then, I guess. Okay, I've reviewed that. Now allow edits. Let's see what happens. So you can move these around here. Okay, that's just markup. Okay, so you can drag and then comment if you want to change something. That's cool. Okay, so this finally finished. And it's committed and pushed it. And it's found the bugs that it says. That's another annoying thing. I don't have my skills in here. I'm sure they'll add that later though. Yeah, so the flow is create a pull request. So let's do that. And you can check what was changed in here as well. So view pull request. Okay, that opens up GitHub. And it's just a normal pull request. Yeah, I'm not really a fan of all this extra stuff on the side here though. I much rather my terminal is just a bit easier to navigate, plus I get all my skills, and yeah. This is still very new, but yeah, I mean, it's cool to try out. But yeah, I mean, that's it for today. I'll see you in the next one.